This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday, and I am so ready to get after it, even though Bitcoin seems to be a little bit off her rocker this morning. A little bit off her rocker. But we're going to talk about it. We're going to get after it. We're actually at a pretty critical level at the moment. We're going to go over the chartery in just a little bit. But first, if you guys are ready for the zest, the news, and the education, make sure you smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a lot to break down. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Also, check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, both Cake Wallet and Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Use code ZESTY for 15% off the MC Love. Also, guys, please smash the like. Please, because everyone's sleeping, and this is when we need to share it out so everybody knows what's going on here, and they're not losing hope. They're not losing hope in Bitcoins. I want to say good morning to every single one of you in the chat. Let's hit that. We have Mark Smithson, Black Hat, good morning. Digi, good morning. My girl Alexandra G is in the chat. It's always better when she's here. It's always better. Can't even deny that. Aquarian is here, Wifey Wick and Sir Wick, hello. Andy S. is in the chat. John Legend, Yukio on X, and Crimson on X. Sola Hefe, good morning, good morning. Bulldog Eric, good morning. Gary's on multiple platforms, that's beautiful. We have James, good morning. John Germain, Legendary, nice to see ya. Who else we got? I think that, ooh, Johnny Paycheck, I see you. Hello. All right, we're getting after it. The Everlasting Bliss said, good afternoon from the Netherlands. Hello, my friend from NYC. I don't even think that sounds cool anymore, but hello, this is where I am. Herc City, nice to see you. Good morning. Mike X 2.0, good morning. Good morning. Where's the accent? Upstate? Definitely not upstate from the city. Upstate is a little bit too mellow for me. I think I'd probably lose my mind over there in upstate. Even though it is very pretty. It is very pretty upstate. Like the nature of upstate New York, you wouldn't even think it's the same place. David Lee's in the chat, though. Paul B is here. Did I see your post on X this morning? No, I did not, my friend. Sorry. I've been getting ready for the show, and my life is pretty hectic. And I'll be talking about that soon. Okay, so let's get after it. We're going to say some things. We're going to talk about some things. Things are things, and things are happening. So that's what's doing. I don't know. Hello, Melvin. Hello, Block. Nice to see you guys. All right, so what we should be looking at right now is my tweet that I posted earlier today, just a few hours ago. Bitcoin is at the bottom of our range, friends, and it's either time for a breakout or a breakdown. Now, the bottom of our range is, as we know, the golden zone. Woo! And Bitcoin sure does love $60,000, and hopefully we're hoping for we want to bounce off 60K and go onwards and upwards. But honestly, if you know Bitcoin and you know her attitude, then you know that she might go below 60,000, maybe. And I'm not hoping for this at all. 56,000 just to liquidate a bunch of people and get all the paper hands out of here. But 60K is a critical level, so it's either we bounce, we break down, obviously. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to say any of this, but it is very much a critical level that I think everybody should be aware of. And obviously, you have to have your bullish and bearish case scenario for Bitcoin. I mean, in looking at the RSI, it hasn't been this low for quite a minute. And always when the RSI is oversold, which we've been looking for oversold RSI, we're here now, we want to bounce out of that. This is great. I think this is really good for Bitcoin. Really good for Bitcoin. So if you haven't yet, and you want to spread the news of all the chartery, then make sure you guys click this link in the live chat, and you like and retweet that, and comment your thoughts and your predictions on that tweet. Thank you very much. Now, I don't know if you guys know about
Jason Derulo.
Listen.
Jason Derulo.
Jason Derulo. I forget. I can't with Jason Derulo, bro. This guy, he's been in crypto for a minute. He loves crypto. Bitcoin and Doge was in one of his songs. And he posted yesterday, "Let me take you dancing" at pump.fun, and put obviously a little address there for pump.fun. And then this followed it up only about 6 hours later. Damn, Sahil got me. Who's Sahil? Sahil is this guy that's been pretty much behind every celebrity meme coin thus far, starting off with Jenner, who everyone thought was fake, and then Caitlyn was like, "Oh no, this Sahil guy is scamming me, so we're gonna start a new one." And then all the other ones have been by this guy, Sahil. Now, Jason said he got him. He got bit by the Sahil bug. But he said that's okay. That's motivation to take this all the way. I just bought 20,000 worth in this for my fans for the long haul. Going to do everything in my power to send this to the moon. Updating deck screener shortly. Of course, Jason Derulo. He then posted this 28-second video and got community noted. This was the video 12 hours ago.
Hey, what's up, people? Listen, the bullshit that happened today in the crypto space was absolutely crazy. I apologize to everybody affected, but now, I'm making it my life's goal to take this shit to the moon. So if you with me, let's go. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I put my money where my mouth is, so I'm in it, and I'm in it to win it. Let's go all the way.
Oh boy, Jason Derulo wants to pump it up. Except the fact that ZachXBT did get him, and that was included in the community note under this tweet, where community note said this user is a scammer and has participated in many crypto pump and dumps. Any crypto project he promotes is most likely a scam, and users are recommended to advise caution. With a link to ZachXBT, which came after him, and all of these things that he's done in the past with pre-sales, all of these things. Jason Derulo.
Jason Derulo.
Doing his best in the crypto space may not be enough because he is getting absolutely popped for it. And boy, oh boy, does he deserve it? I don't know. He was saying Ansem, who is another known scammer in the space, let's set up a space on X. Then he put his ticker, Jason. Then let's show the world what we can do. Big day ahead, Jason. Live burn on Spaces tonight, Jason. Top wallet in Jason is mine. I will never sell. This one is for the people. Tweets again 40 minutes ago. Sold for a discount. Feels like an easy buy. Right now, if you guys are wondering at all, Solana is like 129 bucks below the 200-day SMA. So another critical level here as it battles. But Jason Derulo is saying, watch my wallet on the top wallet on Jason and I will never sell, is what he's saying. Obviously, we're going to go check a deck screener because that is where he's saying to go look at all this updates. I haven't looked because it's been a little bit confusing, so we're going to look at it together. Jason, because all I saw was the pump and dump chart, and then I kind of was like, oh, I can't even deal with this. But now, let's see. I hope that this is the right one. No. Yeah. There we go. Just straight upwards. Ridiculous, up 2,672%. I don't know. To me, it's pretty wild. You're looking at the hourly here. Started to pump, dump, and then came back. Obviously, you see a lot of buy orders here. A lot of buy orders. What's going to happen with Jason Derulo? I don't know. Is he going to fade? Is he going to stay in the space? Those are my questions, especially because in this country, you're not allowed to launch a coin. But all of a sudden, the celebrities are launching these coins. Is this a pump and dump? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or a 2 and a no emoji. Do you believe in these meme coins from these celebrities? Are you fading? Are you fading? Do you trust them? 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Put it in the chat because Jason Derulo is getting after it. I don't know. Hulk Hogan was a miss. Got hacked. All these other ones, who was it over the weekend? 50 Cent. Psh. I don't know. Very interesting. Some random dude says, nah. All right. So, we're going to get into some more very critical Bitcoin and crypto news. Oh, I don't think the videos are deep fakes. Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely not. I don't think so, at least. People thought the same about Jenner token, so. All right, so we're going to get into some Bitcoin mining news and critical news. But before we get into that, we have, of course, some JP Morgan stuff where they were saying Bitcoin miners are in trouble. Like, literally last week, JP Morgan was putting out all of these reports. They have been putting out reports fading Bitcoin, fading the miners, fading pretty much everything except for stuff that pumps their bags. Now, JP Morgan is saying the Bitcoin mining sector is attracting and growing investor interest following the Core Scientific deal, which again is huge, and a lot of money is involved, which is the only reason why people like JP Morgan pay attention. The Bitcoin mining sector is attracting a wave of, oh, sorry, there was an ad. The Bitcoin mining sector is attracting a wave of investor interest following Core Scientific's deal with AI company CoreWeave. The bank notes that the total market cap of the 14 miners it tracks has grown by 22% versus the 7% drop for Bitcoin and a 3% increase for the S&P, which I don't know why trad markets are even compared, but whatever. Apparently, Core Scientific signed a 200 megawatt AI deal with the cloud computing firm earlier this month. News of the deals triggered a re-rating of the Bitcoin mining sector as investors reacted positively to the announcement. They're saying that obviously Bitcoin miners and all these miners, whether it's like GPUs or whatever, oh, you could just use your energy and mine some stuff for AI. You could use it towards AI computation. Oh, the thing is, I am scared. I am scared of AI. I don't like miners using their resources for AI when obviously I think AI works against us a lot of the time and the technology is too new when we need to be securing our blockchain. And I hope that people are still securing the blockchain and valuing that security instead of AI. But I know that a lot of these miners want their cash too. Right? Spoof Nix, thank you for the heart me. Thank you, Spoof. Speaking of my beautiful Bitcoin miners, we're going to continue. Because there was a massive bill that was passed. What is the massive breaking news right now? Dennis Porter released it because Dennis Porter is so zesty. He's a great person, and he's done so much for our space. Now, the bill to defend Bitcoin rights and ban CBDCs has been passed in Louisiana, joining Oklahoma, Montana, and Arkansas, and getting Bitcoin crypto zest policy passed, and basically setting up the standards for the rest of the country, because we even talked about it, where cities are starting to get into crypto, and then it melts up to the state, and then all the states get together, then obviously it goes to the federal level. Now, Dennis Porter did tweet this, so I do want to give him, of course, all the credit because it is Satoshi Action that it's passing the fourth law to defend Bitcoin rights in the USA. This guy is absolutely insane. The Satoshi Action Fund, you guys should support. It's a nonprofit. They go to Washington. They do so many things for so many people. And this is why we're having a lot of crypto legislation passed in this country, is because of the Satoshi Action Fund. So what we're going to do is put this link in the live chat to their X page. And if you guys want to send contributions to them, then I highly suggest it if you guys are looking to donate to a cause that's really worth it and doing things that matter. Now, quickly before I dive into the Zest, we have Golden in the chat. Golden! Is this Golden? Yes. Golden gifting 50 membership raise. Thank you so much. Guys, smash these likes. Share it out with friends. Rock on. Thank you, Golden. Guys, please press the allow gift button and accept the membership re. And also, if you have membership re, put a rain emoji and put an Emma emoji. Let me see it. Let me see it. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Golden, you sweetie poo. All right, we're going to continue on. Because this bill, if you guys want to see the actual act, here it is. It's bill number 488. And if you guys scroll down, it has the great text along with it saying that basically, relative to digital currency, they're going to prohibit certain government regulations of digital assets to provide definitions, again, and definitions literally mean definitions, like what is a blockchain? What is a blockchain protocol? What is a central bank digital currency? That is more than the SEC has done. A state, not a regulator, a state. Now, this is hilarious because it shows the lack of work that the SEC has done. However, continuing on, they want to prohibit governing authorities from requiring use, payment, or testing of a central bank digital currency to provide for node operating and the use of home digital asset mining, to provide for exceptions, provide for limitations of liability, to provide relative certain foreign party controlled businesses, and all of these beautiful things associated with it. Now, within this, I found really interesting that they said foreign parties cannot own land or buy a company that is, hold on, let me grab it because it's actually a really good, interesting thing that I haven't really seen before. Okay. It says no prohibited foreign party shall acquire or hold by grant, purchase, devise, or descent, or otherwise any interest in a digital mining business in the state. So that means if there's a country that obviously they don't like and foreign, they will not be able to own a Bitcoin mining company in the state of Louisiana and other states that this is passed in, like Arkansas, like Montana. So again, very interesting, which means that it gives more room for Americans in the state to keep going with this. Also, I love that it said everything about digital asset mining, that you could participate in digital asset home mining as long as you're complying with local noise ordinances, having any digital asset mining business that is zoned for industrial use, provided they comply. So there's so many beautiful things there, especially because they even said that a governing authority should not participate in any test of central bank digital currency by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System or any branch or agency of the federal government. And then it said that they also will not prohibit any digital assets as a method of payment for legal goods and services and self-custody digital assets using a self-hosted wallet or a hardware wallet. Do you understand how bullish that is? That is extremely bullish. The fact that they're saying that you can use a Bitcoin or crypto as payment, and that's illegal. The fact that you could self-custody, that is legal. They can't attack you for that. That no foreign country can come in, especially ones that they don't like, and buy a digital asset mining company. That there is also a ban on central bank digital currencies, that they can't even test that in the state of Louisiana. Extremely, extremely bullish. And that is period. And that is period. Extremely bullish. And this is what I'm saying. It's the start of the melt up, where we have the states, and then it's going to melt all the way to the tippy top, to the feds.
You're welcome. Because you cheer me up, even when BTC is dumping.
Aww. Thank you. I appreciate that, Paul B. Yay. I'm happy I can provide some zest for you. Thank you. Gary Littlemore, member for 3 months, said thank you for the membership-y. Yay. Thank our bestie Golden. Uh-oh, Gio's back. He's at the airport getting ready to go home from Cancun. Uh-oh, he said it was thunderstorming 6.5 of the 7 days, but you made the best of it. Oh. I'm sorry about that, little Gio. Little Gio over there. Was raining Cancun. Poor Cancun. Is this thing still going? Is this still freaking going? That's hilarious. All right. Beautiful. W Golden for sure. W Golden for sure. Guys, please make sure you're showing off those member emojis. We need to share membership-y. Give me a Gary emoji. Give me a Liz Warren emoji, because obviously this is all their fault. Everything is their fault, especially because these states are giving more definitions for what a digital asset is than them, giving more clarity than any lawmaker, a state, another governing body. Love it. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Because despite Bitcoin being at $60,000 and people losing their minds over it, Bitcoin's doing so well, up 100% in the past year. Nothing to be a fret over. But what I think we should all be aware of is private blockchains. Like people like JP Morgan, BlackRock, Barclays, all of these people, what are they using? Private blockchains, where the only people that have access to any sort of information are the banks. And of course, they're all going to run notes. And if they don't like you, they don't like what you're doing, then you have no rights. You can't do anything with this money. That is bad, especially because we love DeFi. We love the fact that we could just go in a wallet, do whatever we need to do, and be done with it. And we own it, which is the most important part. Now, private blockchains handle over $1.5 trillion of security financing per month. Now, $1.5 trillion of security financing a month. Tell me why Gary Gensler has not said one word about JP Morgan launching its own blockchain.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Has not said one word. Why is that? Private blockchains, and it might surprise you, we hear that they are making over $1.5 trillion worth of repurchase agreements and other forms of security financing per month using these blockchains, which are horrible. And again, our leaders will not say one thing about it, but they'll come after Ethereum. They'll try to come after anything else that's good. Now, they're saying that, again, these are permission-based, under-the-radar repo ledgers, but they're saying this is one of the most beneficial or one of the most useful applications of blockchain, which is horrible to say because it's not. Actual decentralized blockchains are where it's at. Now, apparently, JP Morgan processes up to $2 billion of transactions a day on its Onyx blockchain, which allows its clients to settle repo transactions worth billions of dollars within minutes, using smart contracts to tokenize and deliver cash and collateral on a single ledger. Why is JP Morgan allowed to process up to $2 billion a day on a blockchain when that's not even technically legal in the United States, or I guess it is, just because the people with money are doing it? Not one person has asked, like, oh, is there money laundering going on this blockchain? What are these big businesses doing? What kind of people are spending billions of dollars and using this blockchain every day? But, oh, DeFi gets sought after. Uniswap gets a notice. Everybody gets a notice. Except for JP Morgan. There's no notice there. Just want to point that out. Guys, I need you guys also to listen to Piano Matty B for a moment.
Why don't you like and subscribe
And share this video. Oh, freaking yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Guys, we have a goal of 16,790 subs. Only 4 away. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Now let's also talk about more things, more people investing in Bitcoin. Oh boy. The majority of Japanese institutional investors are going to plan to invest in crypto within the next 3 years, according to Nomura. Nomura is part of one of the biggest institutions, especially because it has its digital asset subsidiary called Laser Digital that is speaking for a majority of the Japanese market. And they're saying that obviously people want to buy Bitcoin, especially big money, because they know where the money's going. Big money knows big money. Now, especially because they took a survey showing 54% of respondents intended to invest in crypto within the next 3 years. 25% they had a positive impression of digital assets. Now, crypto is obviously seen as like a diversification within your portfolio just because it's so new. And what I think is really funny is if you think about buying Bitcoin now versus all of like stocks, bonds, whatever, and you include that in your portfolio, something that may start off as a small portion of your portfolio like Bitcoin may end up being a larger portion of your portfolio just because of the rise in Zest. Now, speaking of Japan as well, because we know institutional investors obviously want money. That's something that we already know. Now there's Japan's MetaPlanet, a company that already bought Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin. But now they want more. They want another $6 million. And again, they're not buying ETFs. They're buying cold, hard Bitcoins. Japan's base investment advisor MetaPlanet plans to boost its Bitcoin holdings by another $6 million worth as per Monday, and they already own $9 million worth of Bitcoin. Here's a little quote. MetaPlanet Inc. hereby announces that the board of directors has resolved to purchase Bitcoin worth 1 billion yen as of today's meeting. While our basic policy is to hold Bitcoin for the long term, if we use Bitcoin for operations or other purposes, the corresponding Bitcoin balance will be recorded as current assets on the balance sheet. Wow.
Oh my God.
We're seeing a lot of people take the sailor route and get after it by adding Bitcoin on their balance sheet. They already own $9 million. They're ready for a bigger bag. They're ready for a bigger bag. As of Monday, they own 141 Bitcoin total, which seems like not a lot, but it actually is. Again, it's $9 million, and they want to buy 6 million more. How much are companies going to be buying of Bitcoin? Michael Saylor, they already own hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin. And that's no lie. And that's no lie. Michael Saylor is still very bullish on Bitcoin, and he's saying that Bitcoin offers economic immortality and will reach $10 million per coin. Now, I would like to know in the chat, do you guys believe that sentiment that Bitcoin will hit $10 million per coin? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 and a no emoji. Will Bitcoin hit $10 million? Michael Saylor recently sounded off the virtues of Bitcoin in an 84-minute podcast interview, claiming it'll reach $10 million per coin and that the entire nation of China will get behind the cryptocurrency. So basically, he said, what's the difference between perfect and imperfect money? Perfect money is economic immortality, and perfect money is we all have a short, brutal life. Which, facts. Now, he said, aside from directly stating that he believed the Chinese people and government would embrace Bitcoin, he said that sometime in the future, a single coin will be worth $10 million. Period. Do you guys believe that Bitcoin will hit $10 million as it is only a little $61,334 as I'm saying it? Is this possible? Are we just Delulu? Are we just Delulu? Put these emojis in the chat. I need everyone to be able to say spam emojis right now. Right now. Membershipry across the board. I think maybe Gio was Delulu going to Cancun, and then it just rained on his parade. Poor kid. I feel actually really bad about that. That's actually really, I feel bad. I hope you had a little pina colada. A little pina colada. I love pina coladas, man. They don't even have to have, like, you know, because not that I've had, you know, the rum in it or anything. Totally not. But even plain pina coladas, man, like, oh my gosh. I love the coconut, the lime in the coconut. I love coconut. I love pineapple. All those things. And then, like, a pina colada is just, ooh.
Oh my God.
So yummy. Oh, hello, Nick. Hello, Nicholas in the chat. He's like, only if you keep streaming 5 ever. Not 4 ever, just 5 ever. Is that like extra love? He said, I'm having a pina by the beach right now. Nick, and you didn't invite me.
Bruh.
See, how can I... Market Cipher love, you didn't even pass me a pina colada, dude? That's horrible. That's horrible. He didn't even invite me. See? See? Thought we were closer than that, Nicholas. I thought we were. And he is on East Coast time. How does that feel to be on the same time zone as me? How does that feel? Oh my gosh. And Michael Kent is in the chat. He said, good morning. Much love and light to you. Much love to you too. Exactly, no. You yell at him. You yell at him, no, for not inviting me. Hopefully I'll see Nick soon. I think I will. I think I'm going to see him maybe sooner than I think. I actually have to talk to him because Mike Perry is actually going to be fighting Jake Paul soon. And I want to appear at that event. I do. I want to talk to him about that. You aren't as disciplined as I thought. This is late, LOL. You're so funny. Okay, so listen, guys. We also have more news about Mt. Gox, and everyone's like, "Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Oh my God.
Mt. Gox. That means Bitcoin's gonna dump, and this is why Bitcoin's dumping." Guys, come the frick on! We didn't know that Bitcoin and Mt. Gox. It's such fun. It's unbelievable. And even if they are repaying people, why would you be upset about that? Please get your noggin together. We've been hearing this for month after month after month. Oh, Mt. Gox is gonna give his Bitcoin to people. Oh my gosh. Chill out, dude. Chill out. Apparently, they're gonna start repayments in July, return over 140,000 Bitcoins. The defunct Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox said on Monday it will start to distribute assets stolen from clients back in 2014 in the first week of July. This is on the Mt. Gox website. You can take a little gander right here. Let's actually read the press release. They said the rehabilitation trustee has been preparing to make repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash under the plan. Now that these preparations are in place, the rehabilitation trustee will commence the repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash in due course to the crypto exchanges with which the rehabilitation trustee has completed the exchange and confirmation of the required information, and this will begin July 2024. We have taken the time to ensure safe and reliable payment to creditors, including technical remedies for safe payments, compliance with financial regulations, and yada, yada, yada. And they're saying, please wait for these to be made, and we'll see. Apparently, there was a big hacker. 740,000 Bitcoin was stolen from Mt. Gox. Whatever, man. I'm ready for Mt. Gox to be over with, so that way people can't say anything about it anymore. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. It shouldn't even like play a role in your mind. Oh my gosh, Mt. Gox. Like, leave it alone, guys. What is that, $9 million, $10 million they're giving back or something like that? I got to do the math. What's 140,000? I don't even know. What's the math on this? Hold on. Mt. Gox. I'm definitely wrong about the amount of money. I can't do math. Yeah, 9 billion, not 9 million. Why did I say million, billion? Was it 9 billion or 10 billion? I can't remember. We're going to find this. Google, Mt. Gox. Yes. Okay, I was right. 9 billion and Bitcoin Cash, which I wonder how much of it is Bitcoin Cash, which I haven't seen a breakdown of. How many people really held Bitcoin Cash? that long ago. Golden said, sorry, they have great pina coladas in the French Riviera. Is that true? Okay. Golden. Golden. Are we going to have some pina coladas? Are we going to have some pina coladas? I know Golden's going to send a picture somewhere of a pina colada. He's going to like tweet it or something. He's going to be like, look at me in the French Riviera. Another one that's just having pina coladas without me. Nick just left me in the dust. Oh, you're going to the fight? Nick? All right, hold on. We got to talk. You got to text me later. Waiting for the dip to finish dipping. All right, listen, we can talk about the dip, actually. We're going to talk about that. Because we have the market recap full of red. Oh, no. People are scared. Shout out to Chum Change Your Pocket Change for the read, though. Much love to all of you guys. What is going on? Obviously, Bitcoin stumping. Guys, please also make sure that y'all are smashing the likes on this tweet. Smash the likes on that tweet. But we have Bitcoin this morning, $61,430. Oh, no. Obviously, 60K golden zone. People are looking at. I'm looking at. We're down 2.75%. Money flows down. VWAP is down. Momentum is down. Lowest momentum we've seen since pretty much right here in August. And if you look at August, around there, around this August area, right around here, we were kind of slumping, and then we hit that green dot, as you see, and then it took a little bit of extra time, but we pumpy dude. And if you look at the RSI, my friends, on the daily, let's collapse market Cipher for just a moment. Nick, don't get mad at me. And now we have the RSI that is oversold. We haven't seen an oversold RSI. I want to make sure you guys see this. We haven't seen an oversold RSI since, again, August. Delayed, but took off. Before that, right here, in March, we took that dip down to 19K. People thought we were finished, going back to 10K. So the fact that we had oversold, thank the gosh, that I think that hopefully this will bring some relief to the market, relieve all this selling pressure, and let Bitcoin skedaddle. Let her skedaddle. Because again, we've been in this range for literally like 3 months, and I'm over it. I'm over it. Also, on the weekly is reflecting exactly what we're talking about. The range of holding 60K, bouncing between here and 71.5. It just keeps happening. So again, I'm hoping that we relieve the selling pressure. The red dot on the momentum, just killing us a little bit. The VWAP is down. Everything is down. And the RSI is technically still bullish, but maybe we'll go bearish on this weekly. Nicholas, give me the alpha. Golden, give me the alpha. All the chartery people in the chat, give me an alpha. Where's Gio? Gio probably left because he's in the airport, but I would like him to say that he's shorting the market just so we pump after that. He's like the inverse signal. Smash the likes, everyone, please. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Subscribe. Share this video with someone you think might like it too. Because we're going to the summit. And I'll talk about it in a little while. Let's go to Ethereum first. Ethereum, beautiful display of a save. Where? Right here, 3230. Oh boy. We're getting awfully close to that 200-day SMA. That's at $30,033. Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
Guys, we have bad VWAP, bad money flow, bad momentum. What is going on here? We need some love and spice and passion. We're obviously bearish right now with the RSI. We want to bounce, but Ethereum on the daily is not oversold yet, which makes me think that maybe we do go oversold and tap this 200-day SMA if we do not hold this level. That is my worry. We're going to the weekly now, where, yes, that is still in play, but a nice display of being able to defend 2788 if you'll zoom out a little bit, and between 39.50. So 27.88 and 39.50 has pretty much been our range for Ethereum for a long time, since mid-February, which is boring, but testing our patience, my friends. And I am not patient enough to wait 1 more month, because 1 month from today, I'm not going to be live. I won't be able to do the show. Why? Because I'm going to be in Nashville, Tennessee. Yeehaw to that for Litecoin Summit. Again, July 24th to the 25th, $84 a ticket. Oh boy.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, you're not ready for the love that's going to be at that conference. I can't wait to be there. I want to freaking yeehaw everywhere. I want to get barbecue. Barbecue. Litecoin is $69 right now, which is, ooh, such an interesting level, isn't it? $69 Litecoin. Interesting. Because we did not hold $75. We rejected the 200-day SMA. Now, I am scared, but $63 might be in our path. We have a fresh red dot on this momentum. I don't know if it'll unprint or not, but I just don't like it, period. Money flow is in the red. VWAP is down. The RSI is completely and utterly oversold, which is good. I like that because we've been waiting for that to happen since January, essentially. The last time we were really oversold was August, again, around the same time as Bitcoin. And around August, we were just slumping. We were falling, we were timber. And we're at $63. So this actually gives me hope because when we hit that oversold, we cooled off at 63 and made our way to literally 113 after that. So I think this is good for Litecoin. I think it's good. Going to the weekly, it's reflecting the same exact thing where really we've been holding 63. We had that selling pressure at 85, could not sustain $75. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got. Timber, yeah, true. Why Bitcoin? Why? I know, vroom. I know. It's gonna be okay. Trust me. All right, maybe we'll have pina coladas. Yeah, that's if Nick invites me because I know he's gonna go to the fight for Jack Perry in Tampa, and that's a tropical area. So I don't know if he's actually gonna invite me. It was a cough, Smokey. It's bad. My allergies are just awful here. Like, yeah, it's. I've been saying that for a while, but it's very true. Change of season's difficult for me. But then we have Dogecoin that's under 12 cents. Oh no. I know my Dogies are going to be upset about this. I know they are. Andy, I think I saw Andy in the chat before. Hello, Andy. Hello. What is going on, Andy? Where are all my Dogers in the chat? I need all my Doge coins in the chat. Give me those Doge emojis. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Give me a Doge emoji in the chat. All the members need to put a Doge emoji now. Now, Dogecoin, again, struggling with the 200-day SMA. Bearish is 10.5 cents. We're hoping to bring that up. Battle at 200-day SMA. But even on the daily, you're seeing that we're oversold on the RSI. Last time we were there was August. Again, like everything else. August, this is where we were at, around here. And then we slumped. We kind of like, it's actually good though, because it was 5 cents at the time. We bounced back, and then we hit like 20. So good for Doge. I mean, this is really good for the market. I'm not going to lie. It's just people get upset and they get their booty in a bunch. I don't know. But they get upset, and that's honestly not our problem. But we know this is a game of patience because we've been trying to hold this 12 cents, 0.1222, and we did not. And now we're going to look at that 10.5, but bullishly, we want to battle that. We need a battle. I look like Zendaya. How come people keep saying that? I don't think I look anything like Zendaya, but she's like, Zendaya's a queen, though. I'm not going to say she's not. She's top tier, Zendaya. Nick, I can't. Nick is killing me. I can't even look at this chat. It's so hard. Guys, give me chart requests, pretty please. I want all the chartery requests. I want all the likes that you can give me. I want all the love and dedication. I just want love. That's all I want out of life. There's only 77 more likes for 100, so pamp that up. But honestly, I just want love. I do. Can I have love in the chat? I need hearts. Give me hearts in the chat. I just want love. That's all I want in this life. Give me heart emojis in the chat. I want love. Oh my gosh, Nick got Eva a bucket hat so she doesn't have to take mine? Oh. I think I might walk around Litecoin Summit like I don't know. Should I bring this? I'm so scared of bringing this out of my house because I don't want to lose it. Maybe you could give me a spare one. give me a travel one. You want me to look at Chainlink? That's cool. Hi, Digi. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, my friend. One character is here. Thank you guys for all the hearts in the chat. I needed this so much. I love love. Love is so nice. Love is so nice. Like, I just, David Lee. All you need is love. Do, 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 do. All you need is love. Love. That is all you need. Do. All right, we're gonna go to Chainlink. Hold on. All right, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we got Chainlink. $13.32, up 1%. Christmas tree action with this red, green, da da da. Most recently, a red dot pulling down that momentum. Money flow is down, but the VWAP looks like she wants to make the move of a lifetime, and I hope for our bags and anyone that owns Chainlink and whatever the case may be that it does. We want positive price action, you know? We kind of bounced off of that oversold region. We didn't actually hit that with Chainlink, which makes me think, is there room to go to that level? But obviously, we want that neutral love. We want that neutral zest. One love, one heart. Now we're battling $13.38, around $13.40. Obviously, if we do not hold, and maybe we go oversold, $11.11 about. 11.11 is a cute number, though. I think that's a very cute number. You want me to look at Avalanche? It's right under this, so that's perfect. Okay. Avalanche, trying to find her support at 24 bucks. Obviously, the bearish level to watch is coming in play now, which is $18.71 just about. So I would watch for that, especially because the Christmas tree action is leading us to the final red dot, or the most recent dot printing, which is red. And we have, obviously, the money flow isn't that great. The VWAP isn't giving. And obviously, we're oversold, which is really good, really good. So I'm hoping that this is relieved. This is the end. 23 bucks. 24 bucks. That's where we find our footing, and we bounce through 25.50, and we hit that 200-day SMA, which is 39 bucks. That's what you want. That's what you need in your life. That's what we all want, especially because we were looking at this level previous and seeing if maybe that was a possibility for Chainlink, and now it's actually, not Chainlink, Avalanche. Apologies. Your short is at $19.90. Yeah, I mean, $18.60 is basically your bearish scenario for me right now, just based off like past and what I've seen here. And so far, our TA has been very respected on this channel. But of course, you know, we just talk about levels. We don't give price predictions. We don't do any of that jazz, you know? We're just here for love and prosperity for all individuals, right, Ian? Thank you for the rose. Whitbox. Oh, hello, Patrick. He said 1111. It is a very cute number. I love that. What is USDT doing? Just curious. I'm dead. That's actually really funny. I'm going to give you a little laugh for that. All right. Yes, golden membershippery. Yes, yes, yes. You'll get me 2 hats. Hi, Army Piper, OC, Tradefly, all my Pipers. Frat Mama is here for you. I'm here for you because I know it's sad and Bitcoin's not pumping. Everything's not pumping. I'm here. Frat Mama's here. Oh, hold on. Your Frat Mama does actually have food to feed you. Okay, I'm back. Now. Oh, Alexandra G, thank you for that. Please make sure you guys are subbing to the Army Pipers. Look how cute. I feel like I should be the poster child for Amish eggs. Look at this. Look how cute. Look how large these things are. Dude, I can't believe my eyeballs. Like, it's literally the size of my hand. Like, I'm not like a large person, but like, look at I love this so much. I can't explain how much I love this Amish lady. And obviously, and then the other girl that sells for my Saturday farmers market in the Walgreens parking lot. If you guys do subscribe to me on X, then I do post exclusive posts over there. And I have been posting my farmers market the past, I think, 2 weekends. But it's so delicious. Great eggs. Hold on. And then we got some cherries, and the cherries are fire. Cherries are fire. Look at this. Oh, look at the color. She's killing it. She's killing it. It's not duck eggs. No. No. Like, look at that. Look at the cherry. The cherry is so good. Cherries are so good. Hold on. Hold on. And also, we have some strawberries that, oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Super delicious. Hold on. Look how beautiful that is. She juice. Look at this. Oh, wow. I love it so much. That just makes everything so much better. Look at the juice all over my hand. And, like, that's the thing. Like, strawberries from the supermarket, they don't actually taste like anything. And these actually are, like, gorgeous. Not only that, my friends, but I was baking for 3 hours. 3 hours on a Friday night. I was cooking from like 5 to 8 p.m. Now, I want your opinions on this because Emma's weird, bro. Emma's weird. She makes me put like basically no chips in these things. So these are Emma's cookies. They're still so soft from Friday. They smell amazing. Holy poop. But dude, this is all she gets. This is all she gets. And that's why Nick is not inviting Emma to the fight, because this is what Emma wants produced. This is bad. This is bad. Put an Emma emoji in the chat if you think this is just an abomination. And she makes me do it, because if I don't do it, then she gets upset with me. And then what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Have an angry Emma running around the house? She'll beat me up. Anyway, then we also have the lovely cookies, the ones with actual chippies in it. There we go. So these are the good ones. So there you guys go. And these are from Friday, but they're still super soft. So if you guys want one, reach in, take one. You got it? You got it? You got it? Did you take one? Mellow fellow, I see you in there. I need a cookie emoji in the chat. I need to know you guys took your cookies. I think Golden needs a cookie. Golden deserves a cookie too. Who else is in the chat? My Army Pipers. All of you guys, you need to make sure the Piper Academy, grab your cookies. Nom nom. Nom nom. Mark took 2. Mark, you're supposed to share, but that's okay. That's okay. No, this microphone is only for YouTube, my friend. So go to YouTube. Jose Mendoza said, yum. Jose, I really feel the love from you, Jose. And David Brumblebee, he said he took 2 and ate them. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I'm starting to think I didn't make enough for you guys. I'm sorry. You know what? That's my fault. I'm just irresponsible that I didn't bake enough cookies for my podcast. Ridiculous. I'm just a bad person, and I'm sorry. I'm freaking sorry. Like, I just didn't know I was such a bad host. I just didn't think that, like, it was really this deep, like, and then now I just hear this voice in my head. How dare you? How dare I indeed? I'm sorry, Greta.
Oh, girl, baby girl. Don't even play.
AOC, you too? I just didn't mean for all of this to go this way.
Hucksters,
Gary.
fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Now I'm a security. What am I good for? What am I good for now? I hear voices in my head. They talk to me. They understand. They talk to me. I love that song. You got your rules and your religions all designed to keep you asleep. Yeah, that's a great song. But when rules start getting broken, they start questioning your faith. L Titan, thank you. He said he loves my energy. Brian said, save me the Emma one. No, Brian, no. Emma will get mad at me. You have to ask Emma for permission. Tag her in the chat. Ask her for permission, because that's honestly not up to me. I'm not allowed to. I can't even give away the regular ones because she gets mad at me. But I gave away a lot. A lot. Like, I don't even know how many cookies I gave away this weekend. Ridiculous. I'm surprised we have stuff left over, too, honestly. No, say I'm a comedian now. That's funny. Randy has so many talents. Oh. Matthew K. The talent I have today is wearing Market Cipher merch. That's what I can do. Ooh, game smoky. That's zesty. No chocolate chip one. No, all said no. You have to ask Emma for permission, right, Matthew K? Golden said they look good. Thank you, Golden. At least Golden thinks so. You know, right, Fox Phoenix, right, Michael Cartwright, right, Dave. I see Dave in there. Crazy. I don't know, man. I'm just bullish. I'm bullish on a lot of things. I've been saying that for a while, and I say that all the time, especially when the market's down. Like, you have to remember, like, you got to keep your head up. You got to keep calm. You got to hodl on. Take your crypto off of the exchange. Hodl it somewhere like Cake Wallet. That's an open source wallet that you could spend your cryptocurrencies.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Frankie has still not gotten a new chair, so I got to
my
drop the
God.
memberships here.
Bing bang.
Golden, can you tell me, like, what his deal is? Can you tell me what Frankie's deal is? This boy won't get a chair? Yeah, bing bong.
Bing bang.
Should I take his sound off the board until he gets a new chair?
Oh, baby.
What about Tech Man? Hi, Naren. He said, how was your weekend? It was good. It was so busy. It was fun-filled. It was love-filled. It was great. I loved it. Had a great weekend, honestly. It was one of my best weekends I've had in a while. And it's ironic at the timing of it, too. But, yeah, it was a really good weekend. Oh, my gosh. Golden, another 50 memberships. While he's doing that, let's get a sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too? 'Cause why don't you like and subscribe and share this video? Oh yeah. Oh freaking yeah.
Oh yeah.
You like the onesie? Oh, my romper, yes. It might be the last time I'm wearing this one. Am I a voice actor? No, I'm not a voice actor. Do you think I could be one, though? Do you think I could diversify? You think I could diversify a little bit? You think I could be a voice actor? Is that a possibility? I see Billy's in the chat. Billy, you don't have a membership. You got to press the allow gift button. Why don't you have emojis, Billy? Rip that. Imagine. I'll listen. Whatever clothes I get rid of ever, though, I always donate. Always. And I just pray it goes to the right place. You know what I mean? I always donate my clothes. I don't even sell them, even though some of them I would get money for. But I just feel like it's better to give it to people that may not have. So I feel like that's better. Is there an allow gift button? Yes, there is. So if you scroll up to where the memberships originally started, like scroll up in the chat, you should be able to hit the allow gift button. And so you could get a membership. But yeah. Who's going to manage my Illuvium account? Oh, like the game? Should I be playing Illuvium right now? I mean, I know their coin is doing pretty well. Hold on, I'm going to go look at that. Illuvium. How has it been an hour already? What the? I literally just checked and it said 30 minutes. Now it's an hour. That's like ridiculous. Illuvium's $62. I remember when it was like 150. Yeah, that was the 150 right there. I was like, oh my gosh, Illuvium's mooning. Like, I remember all of this back then. And now it just seems like Illuvium's taking a little bit of a poop. But just like everything else, you know? Right, Raymond? Good morning. Yeah, I think maybe probably when the new game comes out that it'll help them. And hopefully the coin, because people will be using it and like have a utility for it and want all of that stuff. But I don't know. Time flies when you're having fun. Is always a fun time here. Absolutely, man. I have the best time of my life on this stream. Like, I've had the best moments of my life on this stream. Some of the best, absolutely. And it's thanks to you guys, of course. You know, just when I get like rated with love in the chat, hearts everywhere, all that stuff. We have membershippery right now. Like, all of that means so much to me, man. All of it means so much. Especially because, again, I wouldn't be able to do anything that I do without y'all. Emma can't. Zapirate said they can't get memberships. You have to make sure you have the gifts allowed. But yeah, when is my birthday? It's in February. That passed. Like, that was a few months ago. That was like 4 months ago. But that's okay. Yeah, I really do love this chat. I do, Brian. I do. It's just everything is so beautiful. And Andy said, well, being in crypto, red is no longer my favorite color. I get my nails done red. I feel like it's a power color. That's the only reason I like red. But then on the charts, no. We don't like red on the charts. But honestly, we do, because it shakes out all these weak people. And if you didn't, of course, I forgot to read this article because I got into the charts. There were $150 million in liquidations over the weekend. And that's because people are plebs. And they're not bullish enough. And if they're shorting, or like they got liquidated because they were longing, like, it's okay. It's okay. How do you allow gifts? So if there's another membership redrop and you see, like, for example, golden gift 50 memberships, you have to press the allow gift button that's under that in the chat, and you should be able to have gifts. And get a membership from there. Billy said, where's Jimmy? Uncle Jimmy doesn't, I haven't seen Uncle Jimmy. Does he not want to zest anymore? Where's Uncle Jimmy? I haven't seen Uncle Jimmy in a minute. I hope he's doing okay. Maybe I should text him and ask where he's been. These are the vibes we need during these corrections. Thank you. Aw, legendary. Aww. I'm here for you. I'm here for everybody, really. Like, this is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. We're here for good vibes, the unification of mankind. Like, the blockchain has not stopped working. Bitcoin has not stopped working. Oh, because the market's not green today. Like, don't be a weenie. It's going to be okay. Don't be a weenie. We also need 8 more likes for 125. Is Uncle Jimmy in jail? I am dead. No, he is not. He's a very good man. He's a very good man, and hopefully law-abiding. I think so. Crypto's on sale, good times. Absolutely. He's been busy, no doubt. So is he okay? Should I text him? Because I haven't seen him in a while. But yeah, man, like, we're killing the game. I'm very bullish. I'm very happy. Free Uncle Jimmy. Free Uncle Jimmy. I have some stuff I actually have to film. Oh boy, and I'm like nervous. I don't think I'm nervous. I'm not nervous to film, but like, yeah, you know, I'm so excited. There's so many things going on in life. But yeah, I'm very bullish. I'm very happy. I'm ready to get after it, in all honesty. I think now's the time to make change. Now is the time to make change. Make haste, everybody. Make haste. Film? Well, it's not like, yeah, it's not that big of a deal. It's not. But yeah, big news dropping soon. Bullish on all the news. And there's like multiple pieces of news that I want to drop. Like multiple. I can't even talk about it. Randy going into Big Brother house. Imagine. Randy an actress. I'm dead. Imagine I'm going to film a movie. I would love to do that, by the way. If there's any producers out there, hello. But I want to be in the right side of Hollywood. I'm very bullish on crypto people doing different things in the future, though. I think, obviously, crypto's just going to be in everything. Emma with that. Emma. Jose said buy time. Yes. Listen, I can't give anyone financial advice, so I can't say like yes or no, but I am very bullish on Bitcoin. I think people are sleeping on it. I think Bitcoin's inevitable. Obviously, Michael Saylor thinks we're going to 10 million, which is a beautiful thought, and I enjoy that. Jimmy's drinking from a firehouse at work this morning. Oh, boy, that doesn't sound good. Yeah, Michael, that's hilarious. Yeah, but we're gonna get after it. I mean, sheesh, I don't know. There's gonna be some times ahead, and I'll talk about it later this week. I'll talk, or maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Maybe you should just watch out for my X account. Oh, a fire hose. I was like, why is he at a firehouse? I was like, is there a bar at this firehouse? That's hilarious. But listen, we're going to get after it. Hopefully, Uncle Jimmy will be here tomorrow. But yeah, we're going to get after it. It's going to be a really good day today. I have some things I have to take care of. You guys should watch out for my X account. Oh, what? What is she talking about? What is she doing? She's so mysterious right now. Crazy. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single person that's here right now low on X. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't yet, make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share this stream out with friends. We're going to get after it. Again, I really do appreciate you guys. I know I say it a lot, but I really do mean it. Like, this show means so much to me. It really does. So thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Happy Monday. Let's get after it this week. Give it your all. Please give it your all. That's all I ask of you. Give it your all. Be happy. Touch grass. Get some air. Drink a pina colada or a coffee, whatever tickles your fancy. Have an amazing day. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.
Hucksters, fraudsters,
Gary,
scam artists,
love is not a security.
Ponzi schemes,